how to order from PinDuoDuo. So here's what you want to do. I'm just going to log in through WeChat. So open up WeChat here. And once it has loaded, use the search bar to search for PinDuoDuo. And here we're just going to click on the PinDuoDuo app. And I'm just going to do this so I translate it to English. Gonna click on the stars in the top right and then translate. All right, so now we have PinDuoDuo in English. How can we order? Let's say that we want to get this clothing item. So you want to click on it. Again, you can translate, so change language, and we are just going to change this to English and done. Okay, so here what we want to do is just choose the item which we want to order. So we're going to click on this, and then you want to choose the size and also the variant. So let's do this one and click on determine. Click on determine. Okay, so just like that, you will need to enter a shipping address. You can get the address in one click, and also the number of items here you can confirm. Okay, so once you have done this, you want to add an address, obviously. So we're just going to add an address. I'm going to agree here and access my location. If you click on allow, it's going to automatically detect your location. Okay, so after you fill out your address in this field, region, detailed address, mobile phone number, then you can proceed. You will press on this button in the bottom right, go through the prompts, pay for your order, and that's how you order on PinDuoDuo. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.